What's going on, everyone? Welcome to the channel. My name is Dr. Vincent Esposito, and this is my kitchen. Now, if you're interested in things like nutrition, health, wellness, longevity, plant-based cooking, recipes, and just lifestyle advice for how to kind of maintain and build healthier habits long-term, and you're interested in something like gut health, you're in the right place. So on this channel, I come out with advice every week from ranging on all those topics, and more importantly, some awesome recipes. So food's been a big part of my life since I was a kid. Grew up in an Italian family in New York, so you can imagine what my food was like growing up, and going through my own health journey where I was suffering with a lot of different things like just very lethargy and not feeling great overall and haziness, particularly when I went to college and got away from that home cooked food. I realized when I went to chiropractic school that the food I was eating was really having a really negative impact on my life. And it wasn't until that I got into the kitchen where my life started to change, and learning more about nutrition, learning more about the health benefits of food really changed my life. And I want to bring those tips, those things I learned on my journey now, both being a doctor and being now an amateur chef for the past 6-7 years. I want to bring that knowledge that I've got, and I bring it to patients and clients I work with, but also you guys here on the channel. So if you're interested in learning more about anything, I hope you enjoy some of these videos, and I'm happy to start a dialogue with you on any of my videos. So see you then, and looking forward to hearing from you.